All right, guys. Have you ever run into this situation where you use your key fob, which is this right here, and when you press it to lock or unlock your doors, some of the doors will lock or unlock, and some of them will not. That's the issue that I'm facing with this car. It's a 2004 Honda Pilot. Ever since we got this car, it's been giving us this problem where it started with the front passenger door and the rear driver side door um, will not lock or unlock with the key fob. We have to do it manually, like pull this lever up. It was okay, but lately the driver side started doing the same thing. It won't lock or unlock. We have to use the key to open the driver's side, and my wife is not too happy about that, and she's been telling me, and I've never got around to it. Now, I already changed the driver's side um, actuator, which is usually which is most likely the problem. Now it's working. I can lock and unlock it using the key fob. I want to show you guys how to change the actuator on your car door, specifically a 2004 Honda Pilot. Uh, this is um, this is the new actuator that I'm gonna put on the front passenger side. This is the old one that came out of the front driver side. If you shake it, you could hear some little noise. I don't know if whatever the problem is, it's not been working properly. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the front passenger side. Now to do this, I find it easy taking out the door panel. All right, this door panel has 4 screws holding it. You got 2 here, which is where that lock. Let me see where it's at. This right here. Okay, there's 2 screws that hold this in place. You need to take those out. Okay, and to get to that, like there's this cover which goes inside of this. It goes on the inside, like in there. You gotta first take this out, then get to those screws, take them out. Okay, once you take those out, there's going to be another screw that's down here. Okay, that screw needs to come out. That's this pink thing. Once you get that out, then there's one more screw. You know that thing that you use to roll your window up or down, which is right here. This one, when you take it out, you're gonna see another screw. Once you take this out, you'll see that screw. Okay, you gotta take that screw out as well. Okay, once you take all those screws out, take out your harnesses and this little light wire right here. Now, the easiest thing to do, I find, is to take the locking mechanism off. There's 3 screws holding it. Now, when I did the driver's side, I stripped this bottom one. So I recommend you put some WD-40 PB Blast something. Let it soak for a little bit before trying to take it out. I use the drill, which is this one right here, to take it out. Okay. I already loosened these screws. I'm gonna take them off. Okay. Drop that one, which is fine. I'll just pick it up. Make sure you keep an eye on where everything is coming out, so you can put them back in the same place. These 3 screws hold the locking mechanism. Okay. Now this harness here connects to the actuator. Okay. So let's say this is the new actuator. these two wires, they connect to the actuator. Okay, so I took you gotta take that off as well. Once you take it off, you see the window rail. I already loosened it. There's a bolt that holds it right here. Take that off. It just makes it easy for the locking mechanism to come out. Okay, now once you do that, you got a screw in here that you need to take out. And I forgot, I should have loosened this before I started recording, but it's okay. There's a thing in here that once you take it out, it makes it a little easier. I'm blocking the camera, you probably won't see, but I'll show you once I take it off. Okay, use a screwdriver. These things sometimes are too tight. Okay, all right, so you gotta remove that, and I don't know if y'all can see it. Try to pull this out, this little wire or whatever this is. Not a wire, but it's a rod, I guess. I'm sorry for this, but yeah, it took me a little bit of time to do it on the driver's side as well. But this comes out. Just be patient with it. Everything in here is plastic, so be careful not to break it. Okay. I can probably get to this without doing all that, so that's what I'm probably gonna do. I don't know if you could see it, but this screw needs to come out. Okay, once that screw comes out, this black one right here, then you can take this whole thing off. Let me try to take out the screw. How are we gonna do this, guys? How are we gonna do this? All right, let's see. Sideways. Just bear with me. I'm trying to record, do all this, but all right, this thing came off. I'll just put it back. All right, so it looks like I got a little more room to be able to get to that screw. Okay. This is hard. One hand working by one hand, trying to record and do all this stuff. Yeah, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. Oops. Sorry about that. Phone fell. Alright, it happened to me before. It dropped off, but once that thing is off, now where's the screw flathead? I think I can pop this out. It'll just pop out. It's like yeah, I gotta take this off. It just makes it easier. Just bear with me. Let me do this real quick. This one really is stuck. Alright. right, so I was able to pop this out. Now the other thing is, this is a lot easier if the whole thing comes out, because see this right here, this clip, there's one on the other side, and it's really hard to get it from this side, you know. So I took the whole thing off, but this right here, this, for some reason, this one is like really stuck, don't want to come out. I'm gonna give it another shot. See? Okay, so I finally got it out. Okay, so this whole thing now can come out a lot easier. Okay, let's see. Okay, move this out of the way. This gotta come out too. I kind of bend this a little bit. Slips off. Tilt it, bend it, pull it down. Yeah. It's almost coming out. Just bear with me. There you go. Alright, so everything comes out easy. Okay? So you get this whole thing out. Okay. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna squeeze this and take the old actuator off. Okay. Remember I was talking about this? I gotta kind of go like this, and then see. Right. That one broke again. It happened when I did the driver's side. But it's okay. It will come out. It will come out. So go like this. So I can hold it right there. I can hold it over here. I can hold it like this. Maybe I should do this. Do it this way. It'll come out. Yeah, when you try to do this at night, this what happens. You know, it's dark, y'all can see my light. But I gotta get this done. Now there's one more thing I need to take out. There's a piece here, it's right in there. I gotta grab something real quick. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Sorry, no music, no, none of that. Alright, I'm back. So now this is the last thing. This piece right here broken there. The track, see, it came off too. know if y'all can see it. This right here. I have to take it off. This an old one. This is old, and this the new one. No shaking. It's funny. Both of them are shaking. I don't know. They all have that noise, but this one is not, and that's the new one. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pop this in. Okay, there's a way it has to go in. Okay, there's a way it goes in. And when you do this, you want to make sure that this right here, this pin right here, this groove, it has to line properly with this. Okay, I think when it is in unlock position, it aligns properly and it will go in properly like it just did right now. All right, so everything is in correctly. Okay, now from here on, all you gotta do is just put everything back. Okay, and you should be able to lock and unlock your car. Let me put the harness in just to see if the lock, if this door will lock and unlock with the how does this go? Okay, it goes like this. Why is it not going in? Oh. That's from the, wait a minute, just a minute. Interesting. Why is this not going all the way in? Just got it out. All right, so the other piece for the driver's side got in very quick, easily. But this one, for some reason, looks like it's not the right fit. Okay, so let me put this in just to see. Let's try this again. Alright, it's gonna be a terrible video, but alright, so this is a continuation. I'm not editing, doing any of that, or try to combine these videos. It's just a continuation. So I put the harness back on. I do feel the you could hear it, right? When I press the unlock button, you could hear the motor is moving. Okay, now on the driver's side, when I did it, I had to connect all the harnesses back before it started working properly. So let me try that and see. Hold on, let's see, maybe I can get this to just show you guys what this does. I think this is the one for here, if I'm not mistaken. No, I'm wrong. Wait a minute. This is the one for here. This one goes in there, and I believe the one for the window needs to be connected as well for this to work. So let's do that. Let's do that and see. Let's see. All right. I can feel it unlocking. I'm gonna put everything back up together, and then I'll keep y'all posted. But it should work because that's what I did for the driver's side, and now I can lock and unlock. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So now I can lock and unlock this car using the key fob. This is locked, unlock, door opens, lock, and locked. It's locked. This is the passenger side, front, unlock. It's 2 steps for the alarm. I guess you can change that control. First the driver door opens, and then all the other doors will open. Just so y'all see, it's locked. I unlocked. You can see the light, but these doors won't open. One more time, and then boom. That's it. I hope this video helps somebody having this issue. The parts are not expensive. I think for both actuators I paid about $28 or $24 on Amazon, and what is it, maybe 20 minutes work, 25 to replace the part on each door. Not bad. And the wife gets happy because now she can come, boop boop, open her door, gets in the car without saying, I gotta open the car door with the alarm, not the key. I want to open it with the alarm. All right, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be changing the struts on this car probably tomorrow and do a tune-up. I'm waiting on the brake parts, and I'm gonna change all of them. I already got the struts, but I'm gonna wait until I get the brake parts, because when I take the tires off doing the struts, I'll do the brakes at the same time for each wheel. So stay tuned for that video. Bye.